July 23rd, 2018. I'm in Standards, New York. I'm heading back to Southwest Georgia. Mileage is just under 1,000 miles, and it is almost 7:30 in the morning here in New York. Well, I had beautiful weather coming up, but now going back south, I've got a little bit of rain. Just trying to waterproof the bag here. Got a garbage bag over both my travel bags, and hopefully that'll keep me dry. And I am, let's see, at George B. Stevens Flood Control Dam Maintenance Division here in Pennsylvania. This road right here, H72, is a windy road. If you ever get a chance on a motorcycle, come ride this road. It is hills all over the place. If you look behind me, the hill goes straight up. Great road. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. The rain doesn't look like it's gonna stop, so I'm putting my rain suit on, and I'm gonna just try to take it easy and make it a little as far as I can. I was hoping it would let up a little bit, but it hasn't. Just trying to readjust some things. Apparently, I've got a bolt loose on where the right here, where this docking system works. So. Last night I pulled in the campground in Virginia and my light bulb went out. At the time I didn't know it, but I later found out that riding through all that rain in Pennsylvania, this is what happened. If you can see the water in there. Apparently the seal in there isn't that great, and it let some water in. So I'm gonna try to change that out real quick. All you do, there's one screw at the bottom of the headlight door. It's just this metal piece. There's a screw, a Phillips screw at the bottom. Right there is where it goes. And once you do that, this light will go in. You can see the tabs right there. There's 3 of them. You just tighten those back in. I put a new bulb in. I bought a Sylvania Basic 9003 replacement bulb. And you can see this is the old bulb. Moment of truth. Presto, work. We're back in business. Guess what? More rain. Just let you know. Imagine that.